The gelatin trick has been helping so many people feel a bit lighter and more balanced lately. Have you ever noticed some folks just seem to have this steady, gentle energy throughout their day, without those usual ups and downs? It often comes down to simple, consistent habits. The gelatin trick is really just a sweet little morning ritual you can easily fit into your routine. It uses basic ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or can pick up at any grocery store. No strict diets, no complicated plans, just a small, comforting addition to your day. People who try the gelatin trick often talk about feeling a sense of ease in their digestion and a lovely, steady energy that lasts. Instead of those energy spikes and crashes, they describe feeling more balanced and focused, making their days feel a little more joyful and productive. It's about creating a consistent habit that gently supports your well-being over time. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick, I've put together a full step-by-step guide for you. You can find the link right there in the description below this video. I also pinned it in the first comment so you don't miss it. Take a look and see how one small daily action might help you feel more balanced and comfortable in your own body.